In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more colors on Google Calendar. If you want your calendar to feel more organized, more personalized, or just a little easier to scan at a glance. Adding custom colors is a great way to do it. Google Calendar gives you a set of default color choices, but you're not limited to only those built-in options. You can actually add your own custom color using a hex code, or by choosing one manually from the color picker. To get started, look over to the left sidebar in Google Calendar and find the section called My Calendars. In that list, hover your mouse over any calendar name you want to customize. As soon as you hover over it, you should see 3 dots appear next to that calendar. Go ahead and click those 3 dots to open the calendar options. A color palette will appear. This is where Google Calendar shows the standard color choices, but if you want more than the default selection, look for the plus symbol inside that color area and click it. That opens the custom color tool. From here, you have 2 simple ways to choose your new color. The first option is to enter a hex code. This is useful if you already know the exact color you want, or if you found a specific shade on a color code website. Just paste or type the hex code into the field. The second option is to use the color slider and select the shade visually. This is a good choice if you want to experiment and find something that looks right without needing an exact code. Once you've selected your preferred color, click Save. As soon as you do, that calendar will update with your new custom color. This can make it much easier to separate work, personal events, school, appointments, or different projects, especially if the default colors feel too limited or too similar. A helpful tip here is to choose colors that are easy to distinguish from one another, especially if you manage several calendars at once. Brighter or more contrasting shades can make your schedule easier to read quickly. And that's all it takes to get more colors on Google Calendar. It's a small change, but it can make your calendar look better and work better too.